Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through. Today we have a very new release. We have the Spellcasting Oracle cards, which are 48 cards and Guidebook by Flavia Kate Peters, Barbara Meiklejohn-Free, and the artwork by Lisbeth Cheever-Gessaman. So if these authors sound familiar, they are the ones that gave you these decks, which I absolutely adore. I love these so much. I don't use them enough. I need to use them more in videos. But that being said, I'm super excited for this. I have had this on pre-order, and so it came late last night. So that's why we're doing the video today, this morning. So this retails for $19.99, and it says, have you ever wished you could cast a spell to change your life's path? Connect with your inner witch and add a little magic? The 48 cards in this deck will help you to harness thousands of years of supernatural wisdom to empower and heal your journey. Whether you're a seasoned witch or a magical dabbler, all the spells you need to conjure your desires are contained within this deck. Are you ready to work your magic? So of course, this is by Hay House Publishing, and we're gonna open this beautiful watercolored box with the forest in the background. I love it. Oh, look at this. It says, as I open this box, magic abounds, for my spirit connects with the answer it's found. Feeling my heart open up to one love, beauty surrounds me below and above. Vibrations now raised, inviting in light, protection in place as I see with new sight. As I work with these cards, connect us as one. In peace and love we are blessed, it is done. Oh, I love it. It's a little spell. Okay. Sorry, it's an early morning for me, so I probably still sound like I have a frog in my throat, so that's fun. This is the beautiful book. I'm so excited. Okay, oh, that crack of the spine of the book. Okay. So we have information on the art of spellcraft. What is a spell? Moon phases, weekdays, directions, elements, and connections, how to cast your spell, and working with the card spreads, and then interpreting each card. So first of all, I have to say, I really love the fact that this is a very multifunctional deck. So whether you want to use this for divination or actual learning of spells and that sort of a thing, absolutely awesome. I love that. I love a multifunctional anything. If I can get more than one use out of an item, your girl's gonna get it. Like, I love it. So what we'll do too is we will go through after the cards and actually pull one to see how you would interpret and read it in the guidebook here. And then that way we can see how to expect how to use the card or the deck. Okay, so let's get into it. So the back, ooh, it's so pretty. We have the little tree of life, the pentacle. Love it. Okay, so here's the artwork, and it's actually really stunning, to be fair. The cards, they're thin. We'll see how I like them. They're thin. We'll see how they shuffle. But they're matte, which is fantastic. I love a matte card because I film. So, you know, if you're sitting there with the reflection in the ring light, it gets a little annoying every once in a while, right? So a gloss is not my preferred. But this is fun. These are beautiful. Oh, I love this. So I can definitely see how this would be great for your daily pulls, your clarifications, confirmations, just journaling. Oh, so sweet. Beautiful. I am in love with the art style. It's so fun and ethereal. Love it. So sweet. I want to know, has this been on your pre-order list? Has this been on your wish list? Has this even crossed your path at all? There's another Barbara and Flavia deck that's coming out that's similar to her Witch's Wisdom. I think it's Witch's Familiars. I'm not sure, but as far as I know, they don't have a release date for it yet. So I'm kind of like waiting around for it before I pre-order. But these are so cute. Oh, look at this beautiful kitty cat. Oh, gorgeous. No, that's one card. Okay. Yeah, the cards feel really, really good. They glide well. They're a good size. I feel like all of these are important words or important keywords, I'll say. There's definitely a lot you can do with this deck. Oh my gosh, this is giving me Stevie Nicks vibes. All hail the goddess Stevie Nicks. Okay, I'm just saying. She's one in a million. And that was what, Justice? Oh, man. Let me know down in the comment section if you're a Fleetwood Mac / Stevie Nicks fan, because let me just tell you, me and my family, we are go-hards with it. Love, love, love. This is so fun and beautiful, and I can definitely see the multi-purpose use of it. Another Stevie Nicks feel for me. So the one negative aspect I see is that there's not enough diversity for me. I'm not saying every card has to be a different ethnicity, but I'm just saying, you know, it's a brand new release. I always want to see more diversity. It's so bad. It's, well, not bad, but it's like, it's so bad that I have to keep saying it, if that makes sense. Like, it's 2020. But I'm not faulting the deck entirely because there is diversity in here. So I'm not completely ruling this deck out. And this reminds me of the Six of Swords card. Very much so. It's beautiful. They are really gorgeous cards. So yeah, there is some diversity, not a lot. So that would be my only negative feedback for it. But other than that, they shuffle really, really well. They glide against each other really well. There's no sticking, which is fantastic. They are a little on the thinner side. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, we'll save you. They are a little bit on the thinner side, but it's not a negative. They snap back just fine. They don't stick to each other. They're a great size. The artwork is gorgeous. The colors are brilliant. Nothing negative other than that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this card will read like in the guidebook. So we have inspiration. So they're not numbered. They're not bordered, which I like that they're not bordered because I really do enjoy the artwork. Oh my God, I just got grabbed right to it. So it says magical guidance. Inspiration beckons you to trust in your imagination, for this is the gateway to real magic and a world that you wish to light up. Call upon the spirits of the air to stimulate your mind and illuminate any creativity or any creative ideas. A flash of inspiration to bring about a brilliant revelation will change your course and is reflected in your thoughts and dreams. Focus and follow up on inventiveness and innovation. Allow your inner creativity to be expressed. Take long walks to clear the mind and allow nature to truly inspire you. So throw caution to the wind and watch as your visions manifest into reality so you, too, can become someone to aspire to. So then there is a spell here. a spell incantation. So you would need a yellow candle and do it on a new moon phase on Tuesday at sunrise. Okay, I see you. Magical meanings. So you would meditate daily, start a new project, write, paint, draw, get creative, get out into nature, take long, hilly walks, and blow the cobwebs away for a clarity of mind. So, awesome. So again, there are many, many different ways that you can use this deck. And here we have, let's see, where was it? So how to cast your spell here. And then we do have some working with card spreads. So we have a single card reading, 3-card spread, pentagram spread, and then that's it. Okay, it says, please note, the spells, rituals, and workings in this guidebook are for entertainment purposes only. It's important to cast the spell your way. We're giving you guidelines, but it's up to you to create your own unique magical spell. These spells cannot be scientifically proven, therefore you must use them at your discretion. You're responsible for your words, actions, and deeds. Do what you will, but harm none in this process, so mote it be. So yeah, again, you practice your way. So everybody has their own way they worship. And so think of it as that. So if you're not into the magical side of things, you don't really have to follow that. You can use these cards just for divination purposes. If you are into that, I'm trying to be respectful, but as far as like not being like, if you aren't into witchcraft and spell casting, this is a great deck too. Again, do it your way. So this is merely guidelines, you know. What's that Pirates of the Caribbean phrase? Gosh, you would think I would know it by heart because, you know, it's one of my favorites. But basically, it's guidelines. Parlay? Yeah, sir, sure. It's early in the morning for me, guys. I'm so sorry. All right, so anyway, my final thoughts are, I really enjoy this deck. I think I'm going to be using it a lot for different reasons. I think the artwork is gorgeous. The cards feel really, really good. I think they're great for daily pulls, journaling, whatever you want to use them for, because there's keywords here that really do embody what you would be asking about or asking for. They shuffle great. They're gorgeous. Is it worth $19.99? I think so. I think considering other decks that I've reviewed and unboxed, this is gorgeous. I think the multifunctional use of it is worth the price. And you know, you have quality in here as well. So a lot of information and a lot goes into this deck. So $19.99 is not a bad price. So you will not be seeing the last of these decks in the pick a card readings. I'm excited to start using it. I'm excited to start playing around with it. I love that there's attention to detail in all of this. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Is this on your list? Is this something that you're excited about? Were you just not excited about it before and now you are? I'm really interested in what you have to say, because I do have another deck that I have not unboxed yet, and it's called the Spells deck. So keep an eye out for this video. So I was concerned that these were going to be very similar. However, I'm really excited that they are not, since this just seems to be more of there's spells in each card. This is like there's spells in each card, but you can use it for divination. So I'm excited. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so excited everybody's coming over and seeing all of these beautiful decks. So that's exciting. I love having you guys here. I love seeing your comments in the comment section. So it makes my day. All right, everyone. This has gone on long enough, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.